A new strain of the coronavirus, first discovered in Britain and thought to be more contagious, has been found in the U.S. for the first time. Officials say the patient is a man in his 20s who lives in rural Colorado and has no recent travel history. It's one more problem in the middle of a massive end-of-the-year surge. More than 201,000 new COVID cases were reported yesterday. Wow. Along with a record one-day total of 3,725 deaths. Meg Oliver is in New York City, one of the hardest hit areas. Meg, good morning.
Adriana, good morning. Here in the one-time epicenter of the outbreak, hospitalizations have more than doubled since the beginning of the month, levels not seen since May. And things are looking increasingly grim nationwide as Dr. Anthony Fauci warns the pandemic is out of control.
We're going to have an increase superimposed upon that surge, which could make January even worse than December.
We're all positive.
A worse month of coronavirus is hard to imagine, especially in places like Los Angeles County. Daily deaths there are up 600% since November. And with ICUs completely full, the state extended strict stay-at-home orders on the Southern California region. Some hospitals are treating patients in ambulances and cafeterias. At Martin Luther King Jr. Community Hospital, they've resorted to putting beds in the gift shop.
We're a 131-bed hospital that started the day with 224 patients in the hospital.
With the virus raging out of control, many Americans are desperate to get the vaccine, and the process so far has been slow.
There is absolutely no reason we cannot get vaccines out faster to the American people.
Dr. Ashish Jha is the dean of Brown University School of Public Health.
There really hasn't been much investment from the federal side in helping states to get the vaccines into people's arms. States don't have the dollars and they don't have the resources to just figure all of this stuff out on their own.
In Florida, thousands of seniors lined up for their shot at the COVID vaccine, some waiting overnight.
It's kind of like a mob scene of senior citizens.
Retired school teacher Wayne Frangello spent hours waiting for information from local officials about vaccine registration that he says never came. He finally booked a slot 2 weeks from now.
It wasn't on Twitter. It wasn't on Facebook. It wasn't on the news. If you're not good at sniffing and scurrying, you're just out of luck.
Dr. Jha told us at the current vaccination rate, it would take years for us to reach herd immunity. But both he and Dr. Fauci believe the process will eventually speed up. Yesterday, Health and Human Services announced nearly 20 million doses for distribution, but most of those have yet to be distributed and very few have actually been administered. Jerika?
Meg, thank you.